Okay, so let's complete the square. This is, you need a 9. So I'm going to add a 9, subtract a 9. That becomes x plus 3 squared. Okay, so that's located at -3 and -4. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be, you can also write it in this form, y plus 4, right? It's 1 over 4c, right? X plus 3, it's in this form. So do you see how this is actually equal to 1 here? Because that's nothing there. So 4c is equal to 1, which means c is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, what that means is that, okay, so we know this is actually going to look roughly like this. Okay, so that means the focus is located at, since this is only 1/4 in length, it's going to be -3n, -4 plus 1/3, which is, right, 2 plus 1/4, so 3 over 4. That's the location of that. And the equation of the directrix is -4 minus 1 over 4. Okay, so it's y is equal to that. Okay, or 17 over 4.